everyone, in my last video I explained how we have to part the hair in 4 main parts to make it ready for simple haircut. The first part for the review, I tell you, from apex, from corner of the eyebrow, this is my first part, from apex to behind the ear, the second part, again from apex to the behind the ear, the third one, and the fourth and the biggest part is from behind the 2 ears up to the nape line. For cutting hair, to manage the better, and because this is too wide, to make it very precious and nice haircut, you can make this part in 2 subsections. So again, from apex all the way down in the middle of nape, and make it in 2 subsections. Then you can section it, this part, on this part, to make a straight line and start cutting. When you cut the hair and you finish the right side, back to the left side and finish the same length. And again, make another section just to make sure, make it straight line. This one, and from this one straight line. After you cut this part, again you're making another subsection, continue cutting until you finish whole hair at the back. Then back to one of the side. You can clip open the side, spray it, and again start to make a subsection. Depend on what kind of haircut you want. You can use the whatever you cut at the back as a guide. This is your guide. If you wanted the same length, you can cut the same length. If you want a shorter, you can decide. Again, another section, another section, another section until you finish. Then back to the next one side, and again the same thing. Make it a smaller section, smaller section, smaller section until you finish. And then back to the front. For the front, then you can decide how you want it. Again, start from a small section, and again section, section until you finish the front. This is the foundation and basic parting for cutting a simple haircut. Thank you for watching.